Well, hello there, friends. An amazing recipe. Well, hello there, friends. Sweet potato mash. You're gonna love this recipe with bacons and butter. Friends, stay tuned. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Stay with us. We're doing it right now together. All right, friends, this is not your regular sweet potato mash. This is one that is amazing. It's got bacon in it. Anything with bacon and butter, you know it's going to be good. Friends, I got some bacon right there going on over there. I got 2 pounds of potatoes that I'm going to make, okay? 2 pounds of potatoes, and I got about 4 or 5 ounces of bacon. And then I'm going to put some onion in there. So we're going to, remember, bacon is always number first. Don't forget that, unless there's onion. No, it's the other way around. Ah, mama, yeah. No, bacon is always number 1 unless there's onion. It's always number 1. It doesn't matter who is there. Bacon is always number 1, always, period. What am I saying? Sometimes I wonder, you know? And like people would think I've been drinking. No, not really. All right, friends, we're going to caramelize the onion. Potatoes. I got 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. I steam them. For those, you can cook them in water if you want, but to steam them, they won't absorb as much water, which I think is very important. It's just a steamer. You know, I got one right there. I just wanted to show you. You get those, you know, it adapts to the size of your pot, whatever it may be, you see? And if you have a small pot, you put it in, and you put the water just right there. To put the water, so it's enough to go right here, to arrive right there. So no water touches your potato. See? Make it big, and then it goes right there, and that's it. All right? So little steamer basket, you can get those online for nothing. They cost nothing. And then they got the little thing right there. See, you can take it. You take your basket right there, you take your potato, and you see the water is underneath. All right? So pretty simple, right? So what I'm going to do with those, I'm going to process them, friends. I'm going to process them. Let me go slower here because I'm going to be working over there. I'm going to put a little rosemary in here, little fresh rosemary. If you don't have fresh rosemary, use dry rosemary. That's okay. Use thyme, whatever you got, right? Whatever you got. Oh, it smells amazing the minute you put the fresh rosemary in there. So what I'm going to do, friends, I'm going to put them in a food processor. Now, you can't do this with regular potatoes, okay? But sweet potatoes, whoo! Sweet potato is perfectly fine, friends, to put in a food processor, the sweet potato. Not the regular potato. Okay? Regular potato will get all gummy. They'll get really gummy. Never happened to you sometime you go to a restaurant and you get a potato mash and it's very gummy potato mash? Yes, because they put it in the food processor. Or they put it in the machine, they put it in the blender, they put it whatever. A restaurant, it's difficult for a restaurant unless they have a lot of staff or unless they have... there are a lot of staff. They can't really do it with a potato ricer, like when we make a regular mashed potatoes. For those of you that have not had my regular mashed potatoes, it's delicious. So what we're going to do, we're going to process them until they're smooth like a baby's butt. And we like that. Very, very smooth, friends, okay? So I put them in here. Ooh. I'm going to close this. I'm going to take it out of the way so Jack doesn't complain. It's in the middle of the way. See, it smells amazing, friends, I promise you. It really smells. I'm going to go slowly in here. I'm going to add this whole thing. Mamma mia, I forgot the corn. I forgot the corn. I got a bag in my corn. Can you give me a corn? I got a bag of white corn. I forgot in the freezer. I forgot my corn. You know, so one day I'm going to forget my head. I'm telling you, friends, one day I'm going to forget my head. So I'm going to process this. And you'll see, oh, we got to add a little butter to this. It's a bag of white corn. Just give me the bag, the whole bag, just like that. That'd be perfect. And I'm going to put a little butter in there. All right, give me the bag. Give me the bag. There you go. Wow, I can't like that, eh? That's television for you, friends. Frozen bag. Don't worry. We want them frozen. See, that was cool. I like that. That was funny. All right, friends, look. You want them frozen. So they stay nice and firm, and I want white corn. White corn. I'm gonna add this. You see? Butter. I was gonna add the butter. Butter right there, friends. Be generous. Whenever you add butter, please be generous, okay? Life would be boring if we didn't have butter. Right? You agree with me, friends? Now, you can also put some, if you like them really sweet, you can put a little maple syrup in there. Okay? But I gotta tell you, sweet potato are sweet enough as it is for me. All right? So we're looking good here. We got nice bacon. We're gonna continue cooking this for a second. Let's check these guys. I want them to be so smooth, and they're gonna be smooth, let me tell you. They're gonna be very, very smooth, my friends. Let's process them a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Let's get this bacon going. Did I forget anything? I got garlic to put in. I'm gonna wait a few more seconds. I'm gonna do it now. And now I'm all over the place. By now, Jack is going, where am I going? Where am I going next? Where is he going? Why does he keep moving around so much? I'm having fun. I'm not sure he's having fun because we're all over the place. A little parsley in here, friends. Right? So now look. We got beautiful corn. Forget about the potatoes. Let's eat this. Just like this at a side order. That'd be delicious. What do we got here, friends? Yes, we got what I was looking for. So now what I'm going to do, my friends, you know, let me do something else, friends. I forgot to do it. I always forget something. A little pepper, a little salt. If we don't have salt, what do we got? Nothing. Did I put butter in there already? Yes. Just in case you're, one time, let's say you're cooking and you forget, did I put butter in there? Just in case you don't remember, you put more. What do you think? Somebody gonna do, you know, I like your food, but there's too much butter. Go to the neighbor, okay? They don't use butter. They're vegan. God bless them. I always say if you cook for a vegan, God bless you, because it's very difficult. It's not easy to cook for a vegan. Let me tell you. They don't eat nothing. I mean, that's not true. They eat a lot of stuff, but they don't eat a lot of stuff than I eat. Butter, cheese, bacon. But, you know, they look very healthy, though. You notice that? Very skinny, most of them. All right, here we go, friends. I'm going to make some enemy. I have so many friends of mine that are vegan. Jean-Pierre, what are you cooking today? Nothing you're going to eat. I know. But they're lovely. When we go out to dinner, they go, well, let's check the menu first. Make sure there's vegan stuff. Most restaurants do today. It's very nice. Most restaurants accommodate. It's very, very lovely. Very lovely. See, that's my English accent. What do you think? Not bad, right? No, look. All right, friends. I bring it over here. All right, Jack, I'm going to stay here now. I'm not going over there no more. Don't worry. I'm not going there no more. I'm right here. All right, so look. Now we're going to put this in there, my friends. We're going to take this, and we're going to put it right in there. I probably have too much. For 2 pounds of potatoes, probably have too much. Let's see. We're going to look at it together, friends. We're going to look at it together, okay? No, not too much. I think I'm going to put it all in there. This is not a regular sweet potato mash. This is like a, yeah. No, it's not too much. It's not too much. I put it all in there. There you go. Let's get rid of this. It smells amazing. It smells absolutely amazing, friends. All right? And I think what we need to do is put a little more butter. Just a little bit. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Just a little bit. All right? Now this, my friends, I promise you, is going to be one of the best sweet potato mash you've ever had. And you know what we're going to do on top? We're going to put some bacon bits. Now, I believe I made bacon bits in one of the video. I'm not sure which one, but Jack is going to figure it out, and he's going to put a link for you in the video that I did the bacon bits. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. I don't remember the video it was, but I did do it. I remember. I think I did. Let me test this. Oh, look at this. You look, huh? Wow. 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 Oh. Oh. Oh, my goodness. All of the flavors come together and marry. So good. I'm telling you, my friends, you make this, you'll never go back to its regular sweet potato mash or whatever you were doing. I promise you, friends, you're going to love this. We're going to put them in a gratin dish, right? Now, I probably have a little too much for my gratin dish. I picked up a small gratin dish because I was thinking more of it as a side. Since we're doing the side thing, we're doing a series on all sides. This is what this is, you see, friends? Well, sorry, look at the dish. I'm not finished. Not finished. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I'm not finished. So, we could leave it rough if we wanted to, but I don't like to leave it rough, so I'm going to make it nice and flat, right? Nice. Remember, I used to work in drywall. My regular subscriber are going to go, yeah, that's not true. And the new subscriber, welcome, by the way. We have so many new subscribers every day. 2, 3, 4, 5,000 new subscribers. For all of you that are new to the channel, we don't take cooking too seriously here. We have a lot of fun with it because cooking is fun. If you're not having fun in the kitchen, you know what? You're not doing it right, my friends, because it's supposed to be fun. So if you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. Right? And then we're going to do like this. What do you think? Leave it alone like this? Or do you think we make some ridges? What do you think? Hey, I think we're going to make ridges. We leave them right there. We're going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano on it. If you don't have Parmigiano Reggiano, use Pecorino Romano. Or whatever cheese you want. Put whatever your favorite cheese is, my friends. Whatever your favorite cheese is, right? And then bacon bits. And this is a beautiful side of sweet potato mash, my friends. I promise you, this is delicious. And the bacon bits are delicious. Okay? And you can make those in advance. You can keep them in the freezer. They stay in the freezer for 17 years, approximately. I got an oven going at 375. I'm going to get them beautiful golden brown. And voila, my friends. Put them in the oven. I'll see you in a minute when they come out of the oven. Okay, friends. They're out of the oven. They're going to be hot. But look how beautiful they are. They're amazing. So you can make them in smaller dishes also. Individual one, a big lasagna pan. When I write the recipe, I'll give you the exact size of everything. Tell you, friends, look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Look at this, friends. Is that gorgeous? Look at it, the cheese. I'm not going to eat the whole thing, otherwise I won't be able to speak anymore. But I promise you. Oh. 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 I didn't think they were still going to be that hot. They've been there a few minutes already. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, friends.